It's the second road dash the left. In, at, on, and as. The correct answer is it's the second road on the left. But why? In is used for enclosed spaces, buildings, rooms, etc. Okay, it means it is 100% closed. Then we will use the preposition in. Coming to yet is used if we mention specific locations, addresses, stories, events, parties, etc. As is 100% wrong. I think you will be able to know why it is wrong. Coming to the preposition on. On is used for surfaces, roads, corners, planets, etc. Okay, that is the reason on is the correct answer. It's the second road on the left.